Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 98 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning, and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is maudlin. The meaning of the word maudlin is feeling sad and sorry for yourself. I repeat, the meaning is feeling sad and sorry for yourself. Now let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word maudlin better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, I spent the day under a cloud of self pity and maudlin nostalgia. So, here maudlin is being used as an adjective. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word. The synonyms can be sentimental, emotional, or tearful. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be undemonstrative or austere. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this given word maudlin better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, I spent the day under a cloud of self-pity and maudlin nostalgia. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है मैंने अपना दिन आत्मदया और भावुक उदासीनता में बिताया. यहाँ पर मॉडलिन का मतलब है भावुक होना. So, guys, we have used both the languages, Hindi as well as English, to understand this word modeling better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.